Hello everyone, let's make some pumpkin cake flan. So let's start by using a cup of sugar and caramelizing it. Then we're going to use our bundt pan and spraying some nonstick spray and spray it all over. Then we're going to pour our caramelized sugar and pour it on the bottom of the bundt pan evenly. Next for our flan, we're going to use 4 eggs and we are going to add a can of condensed milk and a can of evaporated milk. Then we are going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix the mixture together. And then pour the mixture onto the bundt pan. Then using a glass pan, make sure it's big enough for the bundt pan to fit and fill the glass pan with water halfway. I'm gonna set the oven to 425 degrees and let it bake for 25 minutes. Meantime, I'm gonna use this delicious Simple Mills pumpkin muffin and bread mix, and I love this mix because it has no artificial ingredients and mostly all the ingredients are organic. So I'm gonna follow the directions from the back of the box, which is 3 eggs, and I'm gonna be using half a cup of milk instead of water, and I'm gonna be using 1/4 of oil. And I'm gonna mix those ingredients together. Next, I'm gonna be using a Simple Mills mixture and gonna go ahead and sift it. Then carefully take the bundt pan out of the oven and pour the mix on top of the flan mixture slowly and evenly. Then cover it with aluminum foil on top, then put it back in the oven for another 55 minutes, but turn down the temperature to 335. Then remove it from the oven and let it cool down for 3 hours till it's ready to flip. Now apply your favorite toppings and enjoy.